Hello and welcome back to the Mirror Review. Imagine a world without semiconductors. No smartphones, no laptops, no modern cars. Sounds like a scene from a dystopian movie, right? But have you ever wondered about the tiny chips that power everything from your smartphone to the satellites orbiting our planet? But here's a fact that might surprise you. Semiconductors are the unsung heroes of our digital age, and the US has just made a massive investment in TSMC, a titan in semiconductor manufacturing. Why, you ask? Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's buzzing in the tech world. Well, buckle up because we're about to explore why the US just placed an $11 billion bet on TSMC's semiconductor success. Let's get started. Semiconductors are indeed the cornerstone of modern electronics, acting as a critical component in a vast array of devices due to their unique electrical properties. They have the ability to conduct electricity under certain conditions but not others, which makes them ideal for controlling electrical currents. This property is essential for the functionality of transistors, diodes, and integrated circuits, which are the building blocks of most electronic devices. The importance of semiconductors cannot be overstated. They are integral to our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones and computers to appliances and vehicles. In the healthcare sector, they are vital for diagnostic equipment and patient monitoring systems. In terms of national security, semiconductors are used in systems that protect data and communications, as well as in advanced weaponry. Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, has become a leader in semiconductor innovation by perfecting the complex process of chip manufacturing. TSMC's success lies in its ability to produce high-quality chips in large volumes, which has made it the preferred manufacturer for many global companies. The US's $11 billion investment in TSMC is a strategic effort to bolster domestic semiconductor manufacturing capabilities. The investment includes $6.6 billion in grants and up to $5 billion in loans, aiming to establish advanced semiconductor production on American soil. This move is driven by the need to reduce reliance on overseas production, which poses national security risks and economic vulnerabilities. Investing in TSMC, despite it being a foreign entity, is seen as a necessary step to secure a domestic supply of critical technology components. It also promises significant economic benefits, such as job creation and ensuring the US remains at the cutting edge of technological innovation. However, this investment faces challenges, including navigating intellectual property rights and managing geopolitical tensions. The dominance of TSMC means that a large portion of the global economy relies on its production, and any shift in this dynamic could have far-reaching implications. Moreover, the investment must balance the benefits of domestic production with the complexities of international relations and the global semiconductor supply chain. To wrap it up, semiconductors are more than just tech jargon. They're the foundation of our digital lives. The US's investment in TSMC is a bold move towards securing a tech-savvy future. But it leaves us with some food for thought. What does this mean for the global tech landscape, and how will it shape the future of semiconductor production? So what do you think about this tech gamble? Drop a like, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Could this be the start of a semiconductor revolution? Let's discuss it. And remember, stay curious and keep exploring the world of tech. Thanks for watching.